That's what I do.
Yeah. Feeling kinda famous. Yeah. I'm feeling kinda famous in my hometown. People hold me up cause I hold them down. I never moved away from my family. Ain't got the same friends as elementary. You know the name and the style, but don't know what I have. Cause in my circle of friends, the ones who boasted and bragged ended up insecure, jealous of what others had. Glad I was raised a little different by my mother and dad. You know the name. I was a skater and a jock, always showing off. My role models were Wayne Gretzky and Tony Hawk. A C student, I was average at best till I found hip-hop, put my attitude in check, then I found my identity. Stopped caring about what anybody said to me. A lot of people make music to make you go forget about life. I make mine to hopefully help you out and deal with it right. That's what I do. Many times I gotta tell ya, I'm doing this with or without ya. I went through all of it and back again. That's what I do, no need to ask again. And I ain't playing by the books, I don't know how. I write my own story as it goes down. And you can either love me or hate me. No one cares about the ones who play it safely. Even my manager parties more than I do. I usually leave the party by 2, go get high and hit the drive-thru. I'm feeling kinda old for this shit, but the kid inside of me don't know when to quit. I bring the weed to the party cause I'm courteous. I started burning it cause I was curious. Now marijuana's my reality, but never touch a harder stuff cause my addictive personality. I know my limits, what I can and what I can't do. I understand myself so I don't underhand my health. It's sheer determination and true grit, face it. Don't follow any path blazes, what I do. Many times I gotta tell ya, I'm doing this with or without ya. I went through all of it and back again. That's what I do, and it's true. I think about this music every day and night. I'm just passionate about the way I write, but every now and then I need to take a break from this. Cause I can't even raise my kid or take a shit without attempting to create a hit. My lifestyle ain't changed since 19, and I'm still at the liquor store getting ID with the same crew, J. Brew, IV. It might be us losing touch, highly unlikely. Ask the wrong person, I'm a has-been and done with. Ask the right person, I'm a legend who runs shit. You either gonna love this or dump this, but all I can do is keep it 100, that's what I did. How many times I gotta tell ya, I'm doing this with or without ya. I went through all of it and back again. That's what I do, no need to ask again.
We know it's all been done.
That's what I do.
We know it's all been done.
That's what I did.
Yeah, I've never been able to go backcountry snowboarding, really. I've never been able to snowboard for free. And that's what I love about rollerblading and surfing and skateboarding and everything else. Is that the only thing you pay money for is the equipment.